Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1983 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro, two-owner, 34,000 original miles, guys. Beautiful car, factory white paint, original gray cloth or charcoal cloth interior. Beautiful car, man. Factory 5.0 HO with a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. And it looks like it just rolled out of the factory, guys. Killer car. I bought it here locally from the man who bought this car in 2017, from the guy who bought it brand spanking new. The only thing I did have to do, I got $1,000 running down. Those are the factory wheels for it. He said he had a set of aftermarket wheels, like with the car he had when he was 18 years old, and so I let him keep his original wheels, and I bought this set of correct Z28 wheels. They're brand spanking new with the correct caps and everything. But beautiful car. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the car. There's a couple little rub marks on it. It is about 99% original paint, guys. And it is gorgeous. Like I say, just looks like it rolled off the showroom floor. We have the original antenna. He put the shorty antenna on it. Again, it's got the dual sport mirrors. Of course, the T-tops, original T-top bags are in the trunk area. Rear defog. I believe it's got all the original glass in it. There's your original antenna back there. He put the little shorty antenna on it. Again, couple little things you can nitpick, but really just a super, super nice car. Like I said, there's a couple little marks. Car's never been in an accident, anything like that. Like I say, two-owner car. I believe he said the original owner actually passed. I think it was bought from the estate. Exhaust-wise, it's got the stock exhaust, but it's got a Flowmaster muffler with the chrome tips. Got the Goodyear Eagle GT II tires on it. Again, I just bought those, bought the wheels and caps and everything. That stuff's all brand new. Slick car. Again, original 5.0 HO engine. Stock intake, carb, exhaust manifolds. That's just like factory. It's got all your original body tags on it. 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. Power steering, power disc brakes, air. Like I say, it looks like right out of the package, man. I think it was an 4 I just sold here, and I could not believe the response we got on the car. But it didn't, you know, to be honest, it shouldn't have surprised me. All your original door tags here. It's original Z-Bart car. That's what your plugs are there, but it's got all your original door tags. This stuff, the 80s and 90s stuff, is really starting to come on. Power windows, power locks. It's got your remote mirror. Factory gray cloth interior. I mean, somebody has loved this car. This car has been somebody's baby. Doesn't look like anybody's ever sat in the back seat. $34,000. What is it? $597 on your odometer. Factory gauge cluster. Now he has put this on. This is a. It's just a stick-on material. If you don't like it, it's just black underneath. Factory Delco am-fm-cassette. Buckets, console. Here's your trunk release, rear defog, cruise, tilt. Again, we talked about the exhaust. Factory 10-bolt rear end with a rear. It's got front and rear sway bars on it. Jack with spares in there. There's your T-top bags. Again, we talked about the original antenna. Power trunk release is inside. Just a beautiful car, man. Very nice underneath. You know, just a beautiful, rock solid 83Z, guys. Door skins are clean. Original carpet. Like I say, this has been somebody's baby. Runs and drives excellent. Just kick your air on. Air pumps cold. Power windows, they work. Factory gauges, everything's all functional. I think he almost got a full tank of gas. Great guy bought it from. Super nice guy, local guy. Yeah, they do work. Again, it's got a Flowmaster muffler on the back. Radio works, blower motor works. Power windows work. We're gonna have to check. I don't know if the wipers came on, but I'd say we'll fit it with the plug and it'll come on. They probably haven't been on. So he said that car, he doesn't think this car is ever been wet. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.